Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the ARB Speedy Seal 2. It's the heavy-duty tire repair kit for your vehicle. Let me show you the contents of the box. Everything's laid out really good. Everything appears to be very high in quality. They give you the instruction sheets, plenty of plugs. It's really a great little kit. The first thing that I noticed when I picked up this insertion needle was the weight. This thing is heavy duty. It's fantastic quality and it is heavy. The same thing with this reamer tool. You know you're holding a quality tool. It was very impressive. I love the quality and the weight. This separate little box holds some of the other accessories, tire valves, etc. that you'll be needing most likely if you ever have to fix a flat by yourself. They give you 8 packs of the plugs. Probably enough to last a lifetime, but you're going to have plenty. I'm really happy with this set. It's something that I have put off far too long, and now I'm going to have peace of mind that if I do have a nail or a screw go into my tire, at least I don't have to call a towing service. I can fix it and be on my way. So I hope that you found this video helpful.